That's not simple. That's a deep, deep thing to ask.
It's like a feeling.
Of when you can't contain yourself, that you just let it out, you know? It's just too overwhelming for you.
Something you get when you complete something or achieve a goal.
Something that makes you happy and feel good and warm and fuzzy inside, I guess.
At my house, in God.
Everywhere.
Fluffy puppies, biology, definitely biology. Wonderful students, like yourself.
Sleep, food, Netflix.
Hanging out with Daily Cams.
On the basketball court.
Doing big burnouts in my car.
Happiness is kind of short term.
Joy is more than just happiness. It's like happiness, but also like peace and contentment.
Joy is what makes you feel happy.
Joy is deeper.
And happiness is more just like milder than that.
It makes me want to be a positive person.
It really makes you thankful.
If you don't have it, then you're not really living the best life.
It would be sort of crappy if you weren't
Makes you
happy.
happier? Yeah.
So I think it's something that just kind of is there.
Probably a bit of both.
Depends really.
Work for it.
No, I think it's kind of more of a natural thing.
That should probably just come to me.
If it was natural, it would be easy.
All right. Donuts at lunch. Donuts. I can spread joy by being helpful to everyone, being kind to everyone else.
Give them snacks. Things like meme day that really boost the school spirit.
Teaching biology.
Okay, just saying hi in general too.
Say, I'm here for you, you have someone always cares for you.
Small ways like smiling at someone and showing that if I'm happy, maybe I can help them be happy as well and help them find joy. Just hyping each other up and cheering for your fellow teammates and classmates on the court.
By telling good jokes. Just making their day really.
I think connecting with people in valuable ways spreads joy.
Be joyful and then your joy will be contagious.